Welcome to another exciting episode of English Lesson. Today we'll be learning commonly confused English words with meaning and examples. Stationary means something not moving, fixed, or unchanging. The bus remains stationary. Stationery refers to writing materials like paper, pens, and envelopes. I bought new stationery for school. Compliment means praise or admiration. She complimented my dress. Compliment means something that completes or enhances another thing. The scarf complements her outfit. Lose, to misplace or fail to win. Our team might lose the championship. Loose means not tight or to set free. These pants are too loose. Lend, to give temporarily. I can lend you my car for the weekend. Borrow, to take temporarily. She borrowed me her book for the report. Peak means the highest point. Sales reached a peak. Peek means a quick look. Take a peek inside. Assume, to accept something as true without proof. I assumed the meeting was cancelled. Presume, to believe something is true, based on probability or evidence. I presume she's late because of the traffic. Quiet, silent, or calm. The room is quiet. Quite, very, or completely. She is quite intelligent. Moral refers to ethical lesson. The moral of the story is honesty. Morale, confidence or enthusiasm. The team's morale was high after their big win. Beside means next to. She sat beside her teacher. Besides, in addition to or apart from. Besides English, she speaks French. Cite, to quote. Please cite your sources. Cite, a place. The building site is closed. Ingenious means clever or inventive. She had an ingenious idea. Ingenuous means innocent and sincere. His ingenuous smile won them over. Passed, moved by, went beyond, succeeded at is always a verb past tense of pass. He passed the exam. Past, time before now. Let's forget the past. What it's means possession. The dog wagged its tail. It's means it is. It's raining. Emigrate, leave a country. They emigrated from Nigeria. Immigrate, enter a new country. She immigrated to Canada. Desert, a dry land. The Sahara is a desert. Dessert, sweet food after meals. Cake is my favorite dessert. Later means at a future time. I'll call you later. Latter refers to the second of two things mentioned. Between tea and coffee, I prefer the latter. Plain means simple. She wore a plain dress. Plane means aircraft. The plane landed safely. Discreet, careful or private. Be discreet with the information. Discrete means separate. The data is divided into discrete parts. Continual means frequent repetition with breaks. He made continual complaints. Continuous means without any break or interruptions. The rain was continuous. Altogether means completely. That idea is altogether wrong. Altogether, in one group. They sang all together. Thank you for watching, and hope you've learned something new today. If you have not subscribed yet, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.